Many Spectrum customers are wondering whether Hulu is included with their TV service. The answer depends on your specific Spectrum plan. As of summer 2025, the answer is yes for Spectrum TV Select customers. Hulu with ads is now included at no extra cost as part of an expanded agreement between Charter Communications and Disney. But Hulu isn't the only streaming service included. Spectrum TV Select customers also get Disney Plus and ESPN Plus at no additional cost. Some plans even include Max, Paramount Plus, and Peacock. This represents incredible value for Spectrum customers. The total value of these included streaming services exceeds $100 per month, all included with your Spectrum TV Select plan. The agreement also brought back 8 Disney-owned cable networks to Spectrum's channel lineup. These include Disney Junior, Freeform, and other popular Disney channels. To activate your included Hulu account, eligible Spectrum TV Select customers can visit spectrum.com/streamapps or use the My Spectrum app. The activation process is simple and straightforward. So to answer the original question, yes, Hulu is included with Spectrum TV Select plans, along with Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and other premium streaming services, providing exceptional value for Spectrum customers. Before installing Hulu on your Spectrum device, first verify that your Spectrum cable box or streaming device is properly connected to the internet. Next, take your Spectrum remote control and press the menu button. This will open the main menu interface on your television screen. Once the menu opens, use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to the Apps section. This is where you'll find all available streaming applications. In the Apps section, scroll through the list of available applications to locate Hulu. Once you find it, highlight the Hulu app and press OK to begin the installation process. After installation is complete, select Hulu from your list of apps to launch it. The Hulu application will open and prepare for activation. If you're a Spectrum TV Select customer, you can activate your Hulu account by visiting spectrum.com/streamapps or through the My Spectrum app. You'll be prompted to log in with your Spectrum credentials. Once activation is complete, you can browse through Hulu's extensive content library and select any show or movie you wish to watch. Your Spectrum and Hulu integration is now ready for streaming.